Something from Knife Joy. Exclusive. 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 Let's go. Joy. Ooh. Lube. Spyderco. Shiny box. We have the Endela Damascus. Oh, it's a good size. I thought theirs were small. It's got a full grippy handle on it. Never had a Damascus knife. I wanted to check it out. Seki City, Japan. Oh, it's Damascus over VG10. That looks cool. First Damascus's knife. That's neat. Hello. It's cool. Do you like my Spydercos? It's pretty neat to have a Damascus one. I don't have any Damascus knives. Oh, this has the back lock. This feels like a really good little knife here. The Endela Damascus. Knife Joy exclusive. Very cool. These were on sale. Relatively inexpensive. That looks awesome. Very, very cool. Look forward to doing some stuff with it. Some knife stuff. Put it to use. Sweet. Good looking knife. Can't really do a flicky thing with the back lock. Just keeps pressure on the blade there the whole time around. Good sturdy lock. Just keep looking at that Damascus. That looks awesome. Anyway, there it is, the Endela. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.